daycare. I'm just gonna have my breakfast before my appointment. I have ultrasound appointment today. So, itong ultrasound na to, wala siya sa, hindi siya ni-refer ng GP. Ako lang talaga yung nag-book. And, gusto ko lang makita ulit yung baby. I'm now 10. Hindi ko siya hala. Ayan, malaki na yan, guys. Ganyan na siya kalaki. Ayan, 10 weeks and 5 days na tayo. So, yung next scan ko kasi, mga 13 weeks or 14 weeks pa. So, sabi ko, gusto ko na makita. Excited. Gusto ko ulit ma-check ba. Kasi yung last na nating scanning was the dating scan. And that was 8 weeks ako nun. So, yeah, I wanna do this again. And V is here. So, kasama ko siya. So, ayun. Breakfast muna tayo. I'm having my bizcocho. Ayan. Pa-expire na to siya sa July. So, kailangan ko na siya ubusin. Bigay ito ng apprentice ni na Papa na taga sa amin. So, yung wife niya dumating dito last time. And yeah, dinalan niya ako or binigyan niya ako ng mga, bongbong stuff. I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I'm gonna drink my Elevate. So, morning ko siya tinitake kasi sa gabi ako parang, yeah, sa gabi ako ina-atake ng nausea. So, sa umaga okay lang. All good. Yeah, gabi talaga ako ina-atake ng nausea ko, guys. I don't know, for some reason, gabi siya this time. Hindi siya whole day, hindi siya morning, gabi. So, ayun na nga. Still, may sipon and ubo pa din tayo. I'm just gonna make this coffee. Yun lang, di ko alam kung gusto niya ice or hot. Daddy, you want coffee?
Yes, please.
Ice or hot?
Hot, please. Or maybe ice, yeah. Ice.
Ice coffee? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
This coffee, ang gagamitin natin. Hindi ko pa naayos yung baliktayan box. Baka mamaya, pagdating natin, magawa natin siya. May iiwan akong iba kasi si mama magpapadala din daw siya. So, dun ko na lang yung iba. Yung mga toys ni Mia na hindi nagamit. Dun ko na lang ipapadala. Kasi hindi na siya magkasya pag lagay ko yung dalawang toys na box talaga. I'll show you guys later kung ano itsura ng box natin. Gawa lang tayo ng coffee ni Daddy. A little bit of water. Lemons. Tumutunog talaga siya pag nilalagay mo for some reason. May bell siya. Ayan. May bell siya sa baba. So good. Daddy, coffee is ready. Walking inside. Doon tayo pasok. Sa loob yung yung pa-ultrasound. Punta tayo ng Beautiful Beginnings 3D Baby Ultrasound yung name. So, nag-accept sila ng walang referral. Let's go! Ang cute to. Ano siya? Album. Andito na kami. Ah, that's so cute. Tingnan natin to.
Amazing. Little heart flicking away there, look. Gorgeous. Well, yeah, we're doing good. can see the heart beating away there, but then if I put the colour on, colour in the body indicates blood flow, so. Easy peasy, my love. Gorgeous.
Order tayo ng paborito ko. Hala, wala na. Yung mango latte.
With the black pearls or the black?
The grass jelly.
Black cherry one, yeah. So it's $14.
Nandito na tayo sa car, guys. Umulan pa. Good? It's good? So, bumili kami ng bubble tea. Di ba kami na talagang sinisipon, bumili pa ng bubble tea.
Wow. Do a little bit at night. Stupid me.
It didn't look. So, what's the closest one? Kain sana kami sa Thai restaurant na gusto niya. Close man, guys. Open pa ng 5. What time is it? Why are they open at 5? They don't open at lunch? He's got Okinawa brown sugar milk tea and I've got the brown sugar latte. Diba? And ang ganda doon magpa-ultrasound. Kaya lang may bayad, syempre. But yeah. We have these pictures of the baby ultrasound. So yung di sila nagda-diagnose doon. So only like for your peace of mind. And meron tayong picture na 3D. So they printed it. Ayan. And we can't even see. Look how blurry is that. Because the baby's still
turn
you
left
can see the
towards
nose
Lollyport,
already.
then turn right.
see the nose. And yeah.
Turn right towards Lollyport.
Ayan. Meron namang heartbeat. So all good. Yun. So where are we eating, Daddy? Is it Thai
Turn right onto
restaurant?
Shenton Avenue.
Ah, this is 4D. 4D talaga to siya. So I paid $99 for it. Just to check. But at least you have peace of mind. Na okay. Ang maganda doon, nagbebenta pa sila ng mga damit.
In 400 meters,
They also
turn
have
right onto Grand Boulevard.
gender reveal, tawag dito mga popper, ganun. And then, yeah, they can also provide you a maternity shoot, may newborn shoot, ganun. Dito na yung food natin. We have the papaya salad and the chicken. Ito yung rice, guys. Tadan! That's cool. Is it sticky rice? Uy, ang init. Ang cute-cute. Oh, tadan! And Daddy got the pad thai. Sticky rice yan, guys. Hindi ako kumakain sticky rice. So, nag-change ako ng ano lang, normal rice. Masarap yung barbecue chicken. Kain. Marami pa kaming in-order. Meron pang kailan na may crispy pork. And that's it, no? Ayan na yung kailan with crispy pork. Okay siya, masarap siya. Parang may garlic sa taas. Ayan o. Ayan. Masarap din tong sauce na to. Okay. Alright. Bahay na kami, guys. And pinapasok ko to kay Daddy kasi para hindi makita ni Mia. Ibabalot ko na siya ngayon para mabigay natin yung present niya. Actually, ibibigay ko pa siya sa next week pa. Kasi next week naman talaga yung birthday niya. So, para ready na. Ito yung gift natin. Napakita ko na to. Ayan, sa previous vlog. Binili natin sa Target. So, scooter siya. Electric scooter. Parang magaan lang naman siya. So, I'm gonna balot it today. Kuha lang tayo ng good thing. Alright. Sana pa siya tong wrapper natin.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we met. make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride.
Hindi ko na lalagyan dito sa gilid. Kasi bubuksan lang din naman at sisirain. Ayan. May ano dyan, naka-open. Importante naka-balot siya. So, yun. We're done. Alright, so nandito yung feeling ko kulang to. Loot bags. How many loot bags na yung ano, nasa dito? 8. Ay, yeah. Kasha. Very good. Kasha yan. So, mga nabili na tayo dito. Feeling ko kulang pa to. Yan. Ako. Meron din tayong ganito. We have the candle. Sana hindi natin malimutan. But yeah, anyway, kulang pa to. Kailangan ko siya lagyan ng mga toys na maliliit. So, di pa ako nakabili nun. Maglagay tayo ng lip tint. Use this one, a Revlon case na glow lip oil. Ayan. O, diba? May kulay na. Hindi ko lang for some reason pag winter, guys, nagdadry yung chin ko. So, yeah. Nakikita nyo, parang ano, dark. Dry yan siya. Anyway, ayan. So, we have pink and blue. So, yung blue para sa boys. Ilan ba yung boys natin? 4. 5. So, and pink sa girls. Mabuti na lang meron ito sa ano, spotlight. Diba? So, we have 15 kids na darating. Sobra ata ito ng isa. Ay, 14 lang pala eh. Kasi counted na si Mia dun sa 15. So, bigyan din naman natin si Mia na ito, no? Kulang pa to, but yeah. I-ready na natin ngayon habang wala si Mia. So, today is Wednesday. Yeah. So, today is Wednesday and this Saturday na talaga yung kanyang pa-party. So, kailangan ko na siya ma-ready. Kasi mabibisi na tayo tomorrow, Thursday. Friday may ballet pa siya. Tomorrow meron akong eyelashes appointment. Nagpabook ako ng eyelashes appointment. So, magpapa-eyelashes tayo. So, I got these candies from Big W. Kasi naka-sale. So, nakamura tayo doon. I have flakes. I have popping candy. Ito yung paborito ni Mia na lagi niyang kinukuha from Time Zone. She loves that. We also have the dairy milk na koala. 12 pieces lang to. 12 pieces lang din yung flakes. Ito, we have 32 Skittles. So, dala-dalawahin na lang natin yung Skittles. I think I'm good sa candies. I just need some toys na ilalagay sa loob. So, ito yung KitKat. 11 bars. So, may sila pa tayong... Ay, hindi! Yeah, tama. Actually, meron namang lollibag yung lollipop. Pero ano pa ako. Bibigyan ko pa sila ng more. Lagyan natin sila na dalawang Skittles.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away.
So, 70 pieces yung popping candy. So, tatlo. Kasi tatlo lang naman yung flavor niya. We have orange, strawberry, and grapes. May creaming soda. 4 pala yung flavor.
It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you.
No, Mary speaking. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I actually sent it through yesterday. Yeah. That's okay. I also have a question, actually. Because I have adults coming without kids as well. Do I need to put them in the guest list? Or... Okay. Okay. Yeah, no worries. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks. Bye. Itong lollipop, pinabili ito ni Mia sa, Spotlight, guys. Sabi ko, sige, kasi gusto niyang kainin. Binigyan ko siya ng isa, hindi naman niya naubos. Lagi siyang ganun. And then sabi ko yung rest, ilagay na lang sa lollipops. O loot bags. So now, gamit natin siya, which is perfect. Yan natin dito, guys. So, ito yung box natin. And, kailangan ko siya i-vacuum yung bags. And we have toys there na nag-occupy ng lahat. So, iiwan ko yung isa siguro. Yung this big one. Diba? Punong-puno na siya eh. Hindi na kasya. Tinatry ko pa ilagay yung mga damit dito na iba. Kasi, mix siya ng ipapadala ko tsaka ng parents ko, guys. Kasi, may pinapadala din sila sa Pilipinas. So, nag-mix na. So, may mga damit dyan. Dyan sa box, sa paper bag na yan, ilalagay ko dyan and everything. So, ayan. So, we have to take this out kasi hindi na nga siya kasya. Ayan na, guys, ang box. And, hindi na nagkasya. Meron pang bag. Diba? Tana. Meron pa dun sa bahay ng parents ko. Calling mom. Kasi nga, hindi na siya magkasya. Yan na, guys. Tapos na. Yung iba nilabas ko sa bag. Para kasya talaga. But, yeah, sabi ni mama magpapadala din naman sila ng isa pang box. So, yung mga natira, dun ko na ilagay. Kasi hindi na kasya. Oh my gosh.
So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have you.
Ayan na guys, close na yung box. Pero wala pa akong schedule kung kailan siya ipipick up. Baka after na lang ng, ni Mia ako magpa-schedule. Tawag dito. Baka July na. Yeah, after ng birthday niya. So, ito dito ko muna ito ilalagay. And pinapatago ko kay daddy yung present niya na binalot ko kasi baka makita. So, yeah. Kompleto na to. Ay, hindi pa. So, kulang na lang yung toys nga. So, yeah. Bibili pa tayo ng maliliit na toys para ilagay dyan. And that's it. Hindi ko to napadala. But that's okay. Sa next box na yan. It's raining. Hurry up. Ang batang to. Alright, come on. Come. Come on.
Dog.
Mia's
Sneaky
home.
dog away. Sneaky dog away.
What happened to your hair?
Hey. Put it down, put it down.
What happened to me? What happened to your hair?
What happened to your hair?
Hmm?
I remember that because I'm trying to make Elsa.
You're trying to make Elsa.
I'm trying to make it like this.
Mm. Mm.
It's scratchy.
Scratch your face.
What's that? What's that in your arm? In your hand? In your wrist?
Tattoos? Who give you tattoos?
Daddy.
Gabby give you tattoos?
Pochi,
Silly,
biting
silly,
your...
silly.
Ay, anak ko. Mm.
What is that?
Open it. There's a picture on it.
No.
Open it first.
What's that?
Who's that? Who is there? Open it.
No, I don't want to show you. Nothing, take. I didn't get nothing.
I didn't get nothing.
I didn't get nothing. No, surprise.
No, look at that. No, look at the envelope. What's in there?
This will be like
What is it?
Who's that, Mia?
baby.
It's a baby. Very small one. Can you see the face?
Can you see the big nose? Can you look? Look, that's the head. That's the baby head. That's the baby arm. You see? That's the baby tummy, and that's the leg. The baby on the little now. And that's which one is the face? I think that's the face, mommy. Yeah.
Mm-hmm, I think so.
And then the arm, and that's the leg. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet.
What
The
do you
doctor
want?
Doesn't know yet.
What do you want, Mia?
Mia want a boy, mommy.
No, girl.
No, Mia want a boy, mommy.
Girl.
Boy.
What do you want to name? What do you want to name the baby girl?
Yeah.
I said Lisa.
Where did you get that name from?
She said Lisa now.
On the birth certificate, Lisa.
No, why
Mommy doesn't
Lisa? No, I don't want Lisa. I'm the one who will write it, Daddy. I'm the one.
I will write it.
No,
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
we asked who write it.
Yeah, me and Mia will write it.
Lisa what? Lisa?
Lisa Lee.
No, Lisa Lee, baby.
What baby?
What do you want to name baby too? Lisa baby Lee?
Lisa baby Lee.
Wow, huh?